Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for all the messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. So I hope everything is doing well firstly, and let's get started right now. All I have to do is just type into mail.google.com and you'll find here this page by adding or also log in with your email. So of course you have an email because we use social media such as Instagram and other things. So of course you have it. If you don't have it, you have to create an account or you can just log in. Also we have the application of Gmail. You can just get started right now. So I will show you firstly how you can say or how you can send, for example. I will just add firstly my email. So let's just make it like that. For example, we have here my email, for example. It's not my email, so the one who received the email. So I just given an example by my email. For example, if you want to send your email to John, you have to write or type it down or type it here, the email of John, for example. Then first we have here also subject. I will add here, for example, here asking for advices. As you can see, asking for advices. And get our responses. It's just an example. Then I will just come back right now. I will firstly here select the option that I want to talk, that I want to write. For example, if I want to here weight, fixed width, then we have a serif, narrow as well, then we have a comic, garment, and we have Georgia. For example, I will just write it right now. So, hey, my best friend, for example, my best friend, I hope everything is doing well. And as you can see, we'll find here Gmail continue to giving some suggestions or some hypotheses about what you want to write. For example, yes, this one. I will just click over tab, and here we have it. As you can see, is doing well, and I hope, or I wanted, I just wanted your advices for what a problem, for example, of my family. It's just an example right now. So for example, this one, you want to make it with other characteristics. So for example, if you want to endo, you click over here. If you want to endo, you click over here, and then we have endo here. If you want to here choose other one, for example, I would choose white, and then I would choose huge if I want large. You have also here normal, small. If you want to make it bold, italic, underline, and then we have here the background of color and the text of color. For the background of color, we'll select this one. About here, the text color, we'll select this one. Then we have also here the aligning. I will select, for example, this one or this one or this one. Then we have also here for now make this one bolded or numbered list, or here we have bolded list. Then we have also for an ended list, and then we have here the other indent more. All right, then we have also here code right to left, then we have also here strike and draw, and then we have remove formatting, and you have here if you want to send, you click over here. You can just also here schedule send. You have just to select here which one you want. If you have this morning, this afternoon, Monday morning, and then we have your big date and time as well. Right, also we have here if we wanna attach files, and we have insert link, and then we have insert emoji. About insert attach files, you use your computer, right? Then about this one, insert link, I will just here text to display, for example, hey, are asking for advices, and then we have here link to, we have to what URL should this link go. Select here web address or email address, and then I will just here write it. If I select email address, I will just here what email address should this link. Then we have also here other options such as, for example, emoji. If you want to here insert files using Drive, and then if you want to here also insert photo, want to here Google photo upload and web address URL, right? Then we have also here toggle confidential mode, insert signature, manage signatures by just clicking over here and you start managing your signatures. Also we have a default full screen. If you want to here label and create a label as a social or as updates, forums and promotions. You have a plain text mode, print, check spelling, and we have also here set up a time to meet. You have this over time, you are free, or you can just create an event if you want. Then you get started with this one, right? So this is how you can do that. Right now all I have to do is just getting started with this one. It's very easy to use it with all these new qualities or these options that could help you to start writing your email address very good and very well. So right now we have also in the left other options such as start, notes, send, drafts, and more. We find here important, chats, schedule, all mail, and we have also your spam, trash categories, social. Then we have your updates, forums, promotions, manage labels, and if you want to create a new label, you click over here and you get started. All right. Also we have here the settings, as you can see. About the settings, you'll find here general, labels, inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses, and forward and pop. You can just scroll down and modify all these things such as language, grammar, spelling, autocorrect, smart compose personalization, conversation view, nudges, and we have also smart reply, smart features and personalization in other Google products, package tracking, desktop notifications as well. You have your keyboard shortcuts, button labels, my picture, create contact for autocomplete as well. So this is how it works with email or gmail.google.com. So mail.google.com, sorry, and also we have here the application of Gmail. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.